Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Monday, November 10th, 2014. The NASDAQ patch, we're kind of paired off here between buys and sells. Do have a couple of volume bumps. We've got one in Qualcomm following earnings. Same situation here in First Solar. First Solar's got a lot of volume. That one's just hovering above the 50 level, down about 4.5% below the day's open. Also have a pretty notable volume bump in BABA, which did not have earnings, but is in the throes of accumulation as they're trying to keep it here above this 112.50 area. Moving on to the next sector, let's take a look at the financials. Here the theme is mostly late volume here. You can see that most of these are trading very, very late volume. Huntington Bancorp trading decent volume, but everything else is fairly late. We're about paired off between buys and sells. Energy names, a lot of movement here. You can see the open close deviations in BTU, which has an upside CPS. Also got an open close deviation, CHK, Devon, and PBR. Rig is really close to qualifying as well. And Rig is trading some very nice volume. Moving on to the generals, a little bit biased to the buy side, but perhaps I think the notable thing here is an absence of anything on the sell side. Mostly light volume here, as you can see. Disney's got good volume and a contra candle to the upside. That could be interesting for Monday. Housing names doing nothing today, very, very light volume and no signals locked in right now. Norfolk Southern gapped up this morning, but is putting in a downside RPS with the contra candle on top of that, so it could be more of an exhaustion gap than anything else. And the commodity names stacked up to the buy side here. We've got a number of CPSs, Newmont, Double G, a lot of the metal stocks, as you can see, are stacked up here on the buy side finally. Got good volume at ABX and also Double G, so maybe we're going to see a bit of a turn here. So stay tuned for next week on these. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.